Hello everyone, this is Anton D. from Pocketnow.com, and today we're gonna take a look at the hardware on the LG Optimus 3D. The smartphone is coming to AT&T as the Thrill 4G, and it's not pretty sure why AT&T chose to market the 4G capability instead of the 3D one, but hey, it's their choice. And we're gonna take a look at LG's first glasses-free 3D smartphone, which was launched in Barcelona this year, the LG Optimus 3D. Stay tuned for the hardware tour. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. We have a battery which is one of 1500 milliamp hours. That's right. And right behind the battery cover you will have a SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot. The LG Optimus 3D does not come with a micro SD card, instead it comes with 8 GB of internal memory. This is what you see behind the battery cover. Okay, let's continue with what you cannot see. The LG Optimus 3D has a dual-core Texas Instruments OMAP 4 processor, which is helped by a PowerVR SGX 540 GPU. In addition to those, it got 8 GB of internal memory, which is the reason for why LG didn't ship the Optimus 3D with a micro SD card, but from the 8 GB you will have available free approximately 4.5 depending on what games you have pre-installed on the phone. And let's take a look at the device right from the front. You have a speaker grill right above the LG branding with a 1.3 megapixel camera for video calling, and I'm not sure you can see, yeah, that's right, there you have the proximity and the light sensor. At the bottom you have the 4 capacitive buttons, which are typical for Android. One for the menu, one for home, one for back, and one for search. And we left the display behind because this is the unique feature of the LG Optimus 3D. It's got an LCD WVGA 480 by 800 pixels resolution, glasses-free, auto-stereoscopic display. It will not play it back in portrait mode because of the way the technology works, by interpolating the left and the right channels of the video, but it displays glasses-free 3D content. Okay, let's get to the top of the phone. It's got a 3.5mm headphone jack and a power/standby button, in addition to a secondary microphone for noise cancelling. On the bottom you got your main microphone, which records your voice, and this is the place where you can pop off the back. The right side sports a rocker for volume up and volume down, plus a 2D/3D button. Unfortunately, this doesn't act as a shutter release button. It only switches between 2D and 3D modes. On the left side you have a micro USB port for syncing and charging, which is covered by a plastic latch right there, and right below that you've got your micro HDMI or mini HDMI port. This way you can connect the LG Optimus 3D to an external display, and if that display is a 3D enabled display, it will play back content recorded with the LG Optimus 3D in 3D on the external display. Getting at the back, you have your dual 5-megapixel stereoscopic cameras, 2 lenses for recording 3D content. This camera records 1080p video if recorded in 2 dimensions and 720p video if recorded in 3 dimensions. Right there you will have your LED flash, which works pretty good. And right below the 3D stereoscopic text you have the speaker grill for speakerphone or listening to music. So this was it for the LG Optimus 3D hardware tour. The software tour is coming up shortly. If you've enjoyed this video, or if you like the LG Optimus 3D, please give us a thumbs up. This was Anton D. from Pocketnow.com with the LG Optimus 3D hardware tour. Thank you very much for watching.